The second thing I want to discuss with you is that meaning of subtraction. And we have understood meaning of plus, that is continuous counting. Then we are going to move to next meaning, that is called subtraction. And this also I am going to discuss with you an example. That is, again same example I am going to take. Student A has 6 chocolates and student B has 3 chocolates. And if I ask subtract 3 from 6, subtract 3 from 6, then your answer is what? You are going to tell that subtracting means you are keeping a symbol minus and you are going to give answer as 3. Subtracting 3 from 6, your answer is 3. Correct answer. Nothing is here wrong. Each and everything is fine. Then again my question is what? Why we are getting 3? How we are getting 3? Why we are getting 3? What is going to be happen inside of that question? And again look into this explanation. So what is that? A has 6 chocolates. In the sense, chocolate 1, chocolate 2, chocolate 3, chocolate 4, 5, 6. Means counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What happened here? Here we have stopped. Then again if I ask how many chocolates are there with B, then 1, 2, 3 and count is what? 1, 2, 3. Again here we have stopped. Why? Because there are no chocolates with B, and here we have stopped because there are no chocolates with A. Then here we got 3 because of what? This symbol. Then why we got 3 means here this symbol is going to do something is here. What is that means? Meaning of minus. By this you can understood meaning of minus. What is that? Here for A, if we are talking, he has 6 chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then this minus is going to tell us that after this number, after this symbol, whatever the number you have, that many numbers you must stop counting from right to left from the first one. From the first one. What is that? See, here how many numbers we have? 3, right? So these 3 number of chocolates we are going to remove from person A from right to left. That is what? First we have removed. From right to left. From right to left. So this one I was removed. 1 chocolate was over. The next, second chocolate I was removed. Third chocolate I was removed. Means I am going to remove these last 3 chocolates from right to left. Based on what? How many chocolates does B have? So that my remaining count is what? 1, 2, 3 chocolates. That's why I got here 3. Got my point? Here, how many chocolates does B have? Means what is the count? What is the number that B has? 3. And what is the count A has? 6. This minus symbol says that after this minus symbol what you have, that much of number of chocolates or that number you should remove from this one, from right to left, so that you are going to get the remaining number. That remaining number is your answer. So that's why we are getting answer is 3. Means if I explain this one by considering one jar, as like of that, you can see that in this jar I asked to A so that keep your chocolates. He kept 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chocolates. These are the 6 chocolates with A. Got. But again I am asking that subtract 3 from this one. Means how many chocolates does B have? 3. That count of chocolates you must remove from this jar. So first I am removing 1, 2 and 3. So what are the remaining? 1, 2, 3. Means in this jar remaining chocolates are 3. So that's why here we are getting answer is 3. Exactly 3. Other than 3 we don't get anything. So that's why the meaning of minus is what? By this example we can understood that Here for A we are counting 1 2 3 4 5 6, up to 6 we have counted for A, but due to this symbol, listen carefully, due to this symbol what we have done, we have stopped this continuous reading or counting at this number only. Initially we have counted chocolates for A up to 6, but because of this symbol and this 3 we are stopping this continuous counting from 1 to 6 up to 3 only. Why? Because these 3 are going to be removed based on these 3, so that the remaining numbers are going to be the final answer. That's why from here we can understood the meaning of minus is stopping continuous counting. Means plus and minus both are opposite to each other. Plus is saying that you do that you should do that count as continuous, but minus is say that you stop that count up to somewhere. Means in the case of addition we are getting continuous counting, in the case of subtraction we are stopping that continuous counting. So by this two examples I hope that you have understood meaning of addition and meaning of subtraction.